Namaste to all friends of yoga. I would like to extend my warm greetings to the participants of this international yoga conference being organized by the American Academy of Yoga and Meditation. The conference, as you know, is being held in the backdrop of the International Day of Yoga in June 2021. Yoga has been an integral part of our cultural heritage. At India's initiative, the United Nations had in December 2014 unanimously adopted the resolution establishing the International Day of Yoga on 21 June. Yoga is increasingly being practiced around the world, including in the United States. It helps build strength, awareness, and harmony in both the mind and the body. Due to its link with health and wellness, yoga today is a strong aspect of preventive healthcare frameworks. In the current day and age, where we rush from one day to the next, constantly trying to change our health, our body, or our emotions, or to plan our future, yoga opens up the possibility of connecting to what we already have, to who we already are. Yoga offers us the opportunity for self reflection, the practice of kindness and self compassion, and continued growth and self awareness. Regular yoga practice creates mental clarity and calmness, increases body awareness, relaxes the mind, focuses attention, and sharpens concentration. The importance of yoga is already well recognized in tackling the rise of lifestyle diseases and stress. It has also helped address issues relating to mental anxiety and mental health due to lockdown measures, pressure of work from home, social isolation on account of COVID 19, etc. The conference brings together physicians, scientists, thinkers, and practitioners of yoga and meditation to deliberate on the critical role that yoga can play in our contemporary lives. I wish the American Academy of Yoga and Meditation all success in its endeavors.